Oh. So, there I was, minding my own business. And I come across a limestone quarry tonight again. So, because I'm always prepared, got my ropes, two, my sled. Alright, so all I have to do is cut a 2.5 ton stone out of this copper quarry. That's not a copper quarry, a limestone quarry. So I come prepared. Because it could easily be done. Beautiful day like today. I'm cheating. Found this. Don't want to be a fish. Put that in the mouth. All right. So I'm thinking a couple of hours. Straighten it up first. Bring it back to like straight stones, not the skew. Notice they're all pretty square, the ones on the pyramids. There's a few of us, a couple of guys down there, a couple of guys up there. We should have a dozen stones done today. Maybe I just get the stone out and then we can square it up later on. As we're pushing it through the desert, half a dozen of us push it through the desert, and then another two chip away at the stone so it's nice and square by the time we get to Giza. And we've got another couple of guys with the water. So it just flies across the sand. So it's teamwork. Teamwork. A few spraying, a couple chipping away, squaring them up. 3 or 4 of us push. Pretty standard stuff. Alright. Ah. Never know, do you? You just never know what's going to be here. Right. No. Meters. Right here maybe. I'm going to start down here. That'll be alright, but see, I'm playing for time because the others are doing alright. All the others are really good at it. They're already halfway through theirs. I'll just stall so that I have to go to the toilet, and then when they come down they'll just help me. Yeah, I'm alright, yeah. Go to the toilet. How you going? Nearly done? I'll be here. Copper hand tools, remember? They've been cutting limestone for ages with copper hand tools. For years, centuries. You idiot. It's gonna be long. Right. 593 tons every day. Like this, 593 tons every single day for 30 years. Like this, yeah? I'm doing it properly, am I? Not doing it properly. I'm not messing about. Yeah, I'm nearly done here. How you going? See, one of them's already finished. I don't know how they do it. Honestly, I just don't know how they do it. Make me look like a right idiot, don't they? How many ropes do you need? One. He's got a sled and he's got a rope, but he needs 2 ropes because he's on his own. He needs 2 ropes to pull it out, pull the stone out. Hello, mate. Alright, he's doing good. Now we've got that stone out. Let's just readjust that. I hope it's not moved. This is the kind of work you don't want to have to keep doing it. Alright, back up to the grind because they're going to start talking about me. Don't bring him down, he's useless. He wastes time. Look at him go. Both of those 3 guys dragging that 2.5 ton stone along that rope, that sled. This guy with him sprinkling water on the front, but still. Alright. I'm alright. Two of you over here, please. Yeah. God. Computer says no again. You know that, don't you? Computer says no. What are people thinking? Listen, if I can't do it, the Egyptians can't do it. All right. Walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian.